This is a major crackdown. The police have conducted raids at 14 locations across Jammu and Kashmir, we are told. And according to top sources, these operations are focused on links connected to the arrested doctors and on preventing the expansion of their network. Officials are also saying that these raids reflect a targeted effort to dismantle the broader medical radicalisation module, aiming to curb the spread of the so-called doctor cell ideology beyond key districts such as Pulwama, Srinagar and Anantnag. My colleague Ishan Vani with all of those details.
Multiple raids which have been conducted not only overnight but also in the morning at several residences of doctors or those suspects who could be planning or part of the planning leading to Delhi attack have been questioned. Some of them have been actually detained and taken along by the CIK and the other teams of the police to investigate really if they have any role or there is any suspicion on them. But there are raids which are also taking place in different locations. And two doctors we are given to understand are from the Government Medical College Anantnag. This is where Dr. Adil and all of them find a common connection initially. And that's where AK rifle was recovered from. And that is where raids have been also conducted and multiple raids have been underway. And most of them have been actually concluded by now. But the forces are looking for, the CIK is looking for those who could be potentially trying to harm interests of India in Jammu and Kashmir or outside, and trying to find further links, because this is now about the investigation part of the story, where the investigation needs to be done to what really and who really are the people who are behind, how it was really planned, was brought together, were there other people who were part of this particular module who are functioning independently, or are there any further such individual modules which were set up independently because the funding was happening independently. There was no, as it seems on the surface, that Pakistan was directly funding it, but it was something where possibly they were independently also trying to acquire money. So there could be other groups which on who the crackdown must be going on at the moment, and the searches have been conducted. But there are different doctors from time to time who have been asked for questioning, not necessarily they're linked to the case. Some of them can be friends, some of them could be those who they knew at some point of time. They've all been called up for a question, and they are being questioned from time to time. And yesterday, at least 5-6 doctors were also questioned from different parts of South Kashmir. And today also there will be some doctors who will be questioned because they have been at some point of time in contact with any of these people who are now in the custody of police.
Right, Ishan. Thank you so much for all of those details there.